Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your card with Natwest. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and now in the address bar simply type in natwest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Natwest. Now simply click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed with logging into your account using your email address or your username and your password. After logging into your account, come back to the home page and simply scroll down and then click on Credit Cards. Now from the Credit Cards tab, if you scroll down, you will be able to find the Manage Your Natwest Credit Card button. Simply click on this and you will find a button which says Manage Your Existing Card. Just click on this and then you will find a link to activate your credit card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your card with Natwest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next one.